If you're having trouble hearing WhatsApp voice messages, here's how you can fix it. First, force close the application. If you're in a chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see your recent apps, or you can also use this icon over here and then choose to remove all the background applications, including WhatsApp. Then reopen WhatsApp and try the voice message again. You can also check your volume. Find the volume slider beside your phone and increase or decrease it and return to WhatsApp and try the voice message. You can also open your device settings app. Also tap and hold onto the WhatsApp application. Tap on the eye icon in the top. Then after go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions like necessary permissions including microphone, music and audio, phones and all. Come back, try clearing the cache. So go ahead and select storage, click on clear cache. Then after try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, whatever you're using, is stable, strong, and reliable. You can also try turning the flight mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. And if none of these steps work, the problem might be on your device hardware. You can visit an authorized service center to have your device inspected. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.